In today's video, we're making elephant toothpaste with that vinegar right there and this yeast.
Let's get to it. Go quick. Quick, quick, quick. Close it. Close it.
Hey, Gordon.
Smash it.
So what's it gonna do now? Is it gonna explode?
I don't know.
Holy crap!
Nothing seems to be happening.
There's still yeast in here.
Nothing seems to be happening.
Dad, don't.
Oh, it wants to go. Oh, it wants to go.
Oh! It's bubbling. It's about to blow. Do you think we should shake it?
Oh, it's so swollen. It is so swollen.
I feel like shaking it's gonna make it worse. Smells like apples.
All right. I'm gonna flick it.
Back up, Dad. Back up.
Oh, wow. That was great. Did you see how high it went? We're going to just set up another camera and get a shot of it going that high. That was awesome.
Next time we should do it in slow-mo.
Dump it out.
This?
Yeah. Wow.
Is it still recording, Dad?
Uh-huh.
So, if we had like more ingredients and stuff, like the ingredients that Mark Rober would use, it'd get like really high temperature. But we don't know what ingredients he used. Dad. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're doing elephant toothpaste and toothpaste and toothpaste and toothpaste again.
That wasn't supposed to happen. Go ahead.
And my dad's about to do the elephant toothpaste.
Ready? All right.
It's gonna be really cool.
Hopefully the bottle don't rupture again. That was great. It's green.
Oh, it's hot!
It's green.
It's hot!
150 degrees, right?
Oh. That's hot. I mean, it's hot. Why is that hot? Oh, gosh. Dad, go get the plate.
I didn't get that one. Ajax.
Golly,
Oh,
that happened fast.
yeah, I did. Ready?
Mhm.
You gonna shoot it standing up?
No, I'm gonna lay down.
You better lay down.
Oh, you're gonna have to hit that now.
Crap.
Try again.
I'm gonna stand up.
Yeah, let me show you how to cock that gun.
Good. Put it like this. Put it like that.
Oh, I seen it. I seen the BB.
Do what Popo said. Put the butt on the ground and then do it. And pull up. There you go.
Did it.
Nice.
Just take this off.
Yeah.
This is hindering you from shooting.
Ooh, this one might pop on its own.
Oh. You gotta
Oh.
hurry.
Almost.
Oh, there it went.
Where did the
Golly,
ball
it went
go?
way over there.
What are you? Hydrogen peroxide and soap?
No, no. Stay.
Please don't bust on me. Please don't bust on me.
Why are you putting it on the cap?
Don't stick the barrel in the ground.
Sorry. The gun ain't shooting.
Better hurry. Speak the bus.
What the heck was that? Oh.
Come on, son, it's about to pop.
You do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Here, hold that.
This is what I wanted you to do.
I'm gonna change my
Did you
shirt.
even have a bullet in it?
So
The yeast is what does it.
you put yeast in the dishwashing soap?
Yeah.
And then you put hydrogen peroxide in the soap?
Well, I put hydrogen peroxide and soap together in the bottle, and then the last thing that I pour in is the yeast.
Well, that was fun, and now whenever I get home, I gotta take a shower because I got elephant toothpaste in my hair. Holy crap! Go jump in the lake.
Here, go get in the leg. Take off running. Go. Shoes and all. Go. Go. Go faster. You almost got it all out. Do it again. Do it again. You almost got it all out.
How did I?
Looks good. Say bye.
Bye.
Say I love you. I love you.
I love you.
All right.